Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen cup noodles. First, find the fill line inside your cup, usually about 1 inch from the rim. Next, carefully peel back the lid about 1/3 of the way, leaving it attached. Make sure all the seasoning packets are already inside the cup, or add them now if they are separate. This simple preparation ensures everything is ready for the next crucial step. Now for the most important part, the water. You need to bring fresh water to a full, rolling boil. Once it's bubbling vigorously, carefully pour it into your cup noodle container. Make sure to fill it precisely to the indicated fill line. Overfilling can make your noodles watery, while underfilling might leave them undercooked. Precision here makes a big difference. With the hot water added, gently close the lid back down completely. This traps the steam and heat, allowing the noodles to cook perfectly. Now, set a timer for exactly 3 minutes. This is the optimal steeping time for most cup noodles. Resist the urge to peek or stir. Let the magic happen undisturbed. Patience is a virtue for perfectly cooked ramen. Once your 3 minutes are up, it's time to reveal your delicious creation. Carefully open the lid and give your noodles a good, thorough stir. This ensures all the seasonings are evenly distributed and the noodles are separated. Take a moment to appreciate the aroma. Your perfectly prepared cup noodles are now ready to be enjoyed. Savor every warm, flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.